A very good morning to you all children. Today again I have come back with another 5 common words, that is K for key to O for ox, and these words we use in our day to day life. So the first picture, children, identify it. It is a key, isn't it? Now key is used to open the lock of the door or a house or the lock of any box. Okay children. So now comes the spelling of key. What is the spelling? Spelling is K-E-Y. Key. Spelling is K-E-Y. Key. Now next alphabet is L. L for lamp. L for lamp. Children, when we switch on the lamp, we get light, isn't it? We get light and the room is lighted up. Okay. So now the spelling. The spelling is L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Children, learn the spellings so that it will be easy when you are writing in the notebook. Next comes M for moon. Next comes M for moon. Children, where do we see the moon? We see the moon in the sky during the night time. We see moon in the sky during the night time. Now what is the spelling of moon? Spelling of moon is M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Next alphabet is N. N for nut. Now nut. Children, for example, cashew nuts, almonds are the nuts which are very good for health. We should have one nut per day to keep ourselves healthy. Now what is the spelling of nut? Nut spelling is N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Now next. So children, after N, which alphabet comes? After N, O alphabet comes. Now O for ox. Children, you might have seen ox in the fields. Now ox helps the farmer in doing heavy work. Ox is used for ploughing the fields. Now what is the spelling of ox, children? Can you tell me? Yes, the spelling of ox is O-Ox. O-X, ox. Now what is the spelling of ox? O-X, ox. Okay, the spelling of ox is O-X. Now let us go and write in our notebooks. Children, we have learned the spellings of next 5 common words. Now it is the turn to write in the notebook. Parents, please write this column for your children and this too the children will be writing. Okay. So now K. K for, what is the spelling of key? K for key. K-E-Y. Key. Next comes L. L for lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Next is moon. Spelling of moon is M-O-O-N. Moon. Next is nut. N for nut. N-U-T. Nut. Next comes O. O for ox. O-X. Ox. Now it is the turn for the children to write. The first one is key. K-E-Y. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Next comes L. L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P, lamp. Next is moon, M-O-O-N, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Next comes N for nut, N-U-T, nut, N-U-T, nut. Next comes ox, O-X, ox, O-X, ox. Like this you have to write, and children write today's date also. Date is 4/8/21. Okay children, like this you have to write and send it to your group. Okay children, thank you, bye bye. So children, now let us revise the spellings of the words. Now what is this? This is a key. What is the spelling? K-E-Y, key, K-E-Y, key. Children, learn the spellings so that it will help you to write in the notebook. Now comes L for lamp. Now what is the spelling? L-A-M-P, lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Spelling of lamp is L-A-M-P, lamp. Now after lamp, what comes? M for moon. Spelling is M-O-O-N, moon. What is the spelling for moon? Spelling is M-O-O-N, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Now comes N, N for nut, N for nut. The spelling is N-U-T, nut, N-U-T, nut. Children, learn the spellings. Now next comes O, O for ox, O for ox. What is the spelling? O-X, ox. Spelling is O-X, ox. Now children, learn the spellings and write it in your notebooks and send it to your groups. Thank you children. Bye-bye. Stay safe.